Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love read now. Let's see what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and what action we can expect now in your love life, Saggis. These are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius. Send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Saggis, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Saggis, if you're new here, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Saggis, as always, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. And like the action, you know, most expected action and your dialogue cards. And for the duration of the reading, I will be calling this side as person A and this side as person B. You'll know which side you resonate best with, right? Okay, done. And bottom of my deck, I have the beautiful Three of Swords in reverse, getting over heartbreak and pain. At least that's the intention here, right? Let's put this here and let's see what's going on. Okay, Leo, so person A, Seven of Pentacles and the Fool. And person B has the Ten of Wands and the Seven of Wands. Okay. Person A is not very happy with the way the fruits of their labor. Basically, they are unhappy to see. They wanted a fresh new start, maybe a fresh new beginning with person B, but they're really not happy that they haven't achieved it, or nothing really kind of is growing in this connection. Where person B is concerned, they are keeping themselves a little guarded, keeping a little defensive, and they want to drop some heaviness of this connection. Could be dropping the connection altogether or dropping something in this connection. They are being very, very guarded here. Let's see what's going on. I'm going to start Sagittarius with some dialogue message cards. And see if you guys wanted to say something to each other, what that would be. Sagittarius and their person, spirit. Sagittarius and their person. Okay. Sagittarius and their person. All right, good to go, Sagittarius. Let's see what you guys want to say to each other. And before I do that, I'm going to take out two more cards for the most expected action from this side and most expected action from this side. All right, good to go. The first card I have here. I can see myself settling down with you, but not right now. Yeah, somebody is not happy that they're not getting this fresh start. Maybe they have put in some time, effort, work, money, whatever into this connection, but they're not happy that, that offer is not yet on the table. And somebody is saying, I can see myself settling down with you, but not right now. If I give in to you, you will have the power to break my heart and mind. I can't survive that. So very defensive. I have anger issues I'm working on. Losing hope in this connection. Soon I plan on returning, hoping I can make it work this time. They keep saying that you're coming back, but you're not here yet. Are you coming back? Missing you so much, we truly did have something special. And the last card here, Sagittarius, you've helped me discover my psychic gifts. Thank you. Okay, Saggis, if these messages are resonating with your story, let's get on with it. Let's start clarifying these cards. Before that, I do want to take an angel blessing card to see what blessing, guidance, advice, or a message there is for you here from my angels. Blessing, guidance, practice makes perfect. You would know how this is going to resonate with your life, Sagittarius, what you need to keep doing to achieve your goals here. Okay, so I'm going to put this here. So let's start with the energy of person A and see what they're going through. Seven of Pentacles, Spirit. Seven of Pentacles. Somebody really had their hopes up in this connection. Somebody was really wishing, hoping that, this would take off. But as much as they wanted this harvest to grow, I don't think their partner really put in that kind of effort here. Yeah, somebody is kind of feeling, like they got let down, or this connection has lost its strength, or they're not feeling that hope that, they've been wishing and praying maybe for this new beginning, but feeling now maybe it's not possible. One more, Spirit, for the Seven of Pentacles. Yes, they feel they lost. They lost because their person was just not on the same page as them. This Two of Cups is just not manifesting for them because they feel their person is always kind of making them feel not good enough or smaller, or trying to always win from them. Always they feel their partner always wants their way. So what's this Fool card then, Spirit? Fool. They do want to have a new beginning still with person B. I think they're still holding on to this connection very, very tight. They're still indecisive as to whether, this new beginning is ever going to come. Will I ever have it? What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be this confused and still holding on? Temperance. Maybe at one time you guys were, kind of, it was a good connection. Maybe there was a balance in this connection, even though I don't think there was ever a commitment offered. But somebody was hoping that, things would come around, we'll be able to balance things out. But I feel their partner never really fought for this connection and never offered this commitment which somebody was hoping for. And now things have kind of really stagnated, and that's making person A feel very overwhelmed with their emotions because they maybe haven't achieved the dream that they were waiting for, I think. Yes, this person is feeling very sad, very rejected, very dejected, feeling lonely, feeling abandoned, no zest for life because that offer hasn't come yet. So I don't know, Sagittarius, this could be you, this side could be you. I'm just reading the energy of person A. So how does person A now view this connection? They still want to have victory over this connection, it seems, Sagittarius. Person A still wants to find victory in this connection. In fact, they are manifesting something which is not working out, which hasn't worked out in the past. They feel their partner is just not making a move towards them, not offering them that stability and security that they deserve or have been waiting for. Maybe communication has also slowed down between the two of you. Person A is still manifesting, waiting to be victorious. They are waiting to come out of the stuck place that they find themselves in. I don't think person A has given up yet. What action person A will take, I'll open later. Let's see on person B's side what's happening here. 10 of Wands in reverse. Why does person... Person B, 10 of Wands. This person, I don't think, ever had the intentions of staying. I think this person is a very dynamic person. They have, maybe they travel a lot, or they have multiple businesses. They must be an entrepreneur. They like to keep things light and fluffy. They don't like the burden of a connection. 7 of Wands. they feel the person is, they're also afraid of gossip, maybe, I don't know, but this person is not interested in anything. They are keeping themselves guarded here. Person B doesn't feel that they can achieve this victory. They're not interested right now, from what I feel, in having any fresh new beginning. They feel that person is being very foolish by even expecting it, or very immature, and they're feeling they'll probably have to keep their guard up, because maybe they don't feel on the same page right now. Yes, this person is in the Nine of Cups energy. This is a little bit of a greedy, selfish person who feels, I'm happy the way I am. I can go wherever I want. I can travel when I want. I'll come in and have a drink with you and spend the night with you, because that gives me happiness. But after that, hey, don't have any expectations. I can't, don't expect anything from me. So, what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Nine of Swords. There was some amount of inattention, because maybe they realized that somebody wanted love and didn't want to let them go. They were a little stressed out about that either they felt that person A has developed feelings for them and was not wanting to let them go. Queen of Cups in reverse. Yes, they may have made a very small offer to person A to say, hey, listen, maybe person B person B felt that person A is being very emotionally overbearing or overwhelmed. There may have been tears, I don't know. But since they couldn't offer the offer that, this feminine was looking for, they may have just apologized and said, hey, I can't offer you what you're looking for. There could have been an apology to say that, I'm happy with my 9 cups, I'm not interested, and I have other things to do and many other fires that I have to put out all around the world. I can't stay. But I can give you a little cup of love or an apology, but don't expect anything more from me. So how does person B feel about this connection now, Spirit? Justice in reverse. They know, somewhere I think they know that they are not doing the right thing, that maybe person A was looking for a balanced connection or a relationship, and they know they're not doing the right thing by not doing justice to person A. But they've made up their mind. I think they've made up their mind. They made a decision of not offering a commitment here. They are happy with person A. They do find person A giving them a lot of emotional happiness. They see them as the 10 of Cups who makes all their wishes come true and is happy when they are together. But they do seem to have they've revealed some secret or some truth here, that they may not be offering commitment. So 10 of Cups, Spirit. 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. They also feel that their person is very angry and upset with them. They feel that their person feels that they lied to them, or that their partner would still like to work with them. I don't know, this is confusing me because two people on two different pages here. Let me see what action person A will take, if they will. 2 of Pentacles. Yes, this person is still going back and forth in their mind. They're not accepting the fact that, yes, they still hope and feel deep in their heart that one day this confusion will end and they will be chosen. They're still kind of waiting. They're still waiting for person B to balance things out and choose them, and not go back and forth about who's the one who should be chosen. Let's see. Person B, will you take action? Person A is waiting. 8 of Pentacles. This person is in a self-imposed prison of their own mind. They keep thinking about the situation. I think this is the kind of person who wants their cake and want to eat it too. They want this happiness with person A, but I don't think they want to offer much. Yes, a little bit, because the happiness equation is there, the 10 of cups feeling is there, but they don't want to offer the 10 of pentacles, which is the marriage, which is stability, which is long-term happiness. So 8 of swords, spirit, 8 of swords. This person is going through a bit of a guilt trip here. They feel if they do or don't offer this stable beginning, they may be getting bad karma. They're a little worried about that, I think. One more, spirit. What's this person thinking? Why are they stressed out? Yes, this person is at crossroads. I think they are thinking, they are planning, they haven't made any decision. Sometimes they feel that there is no going back, there is no second chances. I have to release this connection which is turning toxic by the day, and maybe move off in a fresh new direction to have a new beginning, new start elsewhere. This person is being pulled in two different directions. So will they make any move towards person A, spirit? No, this person is very restless. They're very, very restless. I don't think right now they're ready for any kind of reconciliation or reunion. This person is in their head, they're planning, they are strategizing. Stalemate energy here. Person A is still waiting, person B is confused. Yes, I think this person just wants to somehow sneak out of person A's life without breaking their heart. Like, how can I give a small offer, like an apology or a sorry or something, and not have to break person A's heart and yet escape? Or maybe apologize, I don't know, for any wrongdoing that they've done. So yes, that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.